Hello guys. I came across this YouTube channel Daily Facts Worth, which is earning approximate $40,000 every month by just creating simple YouTube shorts like these. I can help you to create these 500 similar YouTube shorts videos by using ChatGPT and Canva, and that too within 1 hour. To create these YouTube shorts you don't need any video editing skills. So you can start your own YouTube faceless channel and earn money using AI. Isn't that mind-blowing? Let's jump to ChatGPT and show some gratitude to Chat. Maybe someday if AI takes over they can spare you just because you said thanks. I asked Chat to generate quotes that fit a specific style with a first part that intrigues people to hear the second part. To illustrate this, I'll give Chat 2 examples. For instance, when a girl has a crush, then she'll think very highly of him but won't tell anyone. Or maybe everyone, if you know what I'm talking about. I'll ask ChatGPT to confirm if it understands. And it says yes. Then I ask ChatGPT to give me one example and it provides the great example. I want ChatGPT to provide the quotes on love, friendship and heartbreak topics and provide the example on each theme. It provided the example on each theme, which is perfect. Now let's ask ChatGPT to categorize them in Excel-style format. ChatGPT generated the output, but it mentioned the theme as heartbreak, and we want the theme to be boy facts, girl facts, or friend facts. So, I asked ChatGPT to use one of these themes, and it generated the perfect output in Excel style. ChatGPT is responding too slow, so I'm fast-forwarding the video for you guys. Once I got the perfect output in Excel-style format, then I asked it to extend the list by 30 and copied the results to Excel sheet. Similarly, I repeated the process again and again until I got 500 rows. Congrats, we have completed the first part successfully and created the content for our YouTube shorts. Now, let's dive to the second part where we will create videos using Canva. Click on Mobile Videos. I personally like nature videos for background, so I will find one with sunset view. I found one. Let's use this one. After selecting the template, remove the free text and write girl facts as heading. Remove the animation using animate button. Now add text box for our first part and copy the first part from sheet and paste it in the template and change the size to 55. Add the black background color. Similarly, we will add another text box and copy-paste it from the sheet and change the size to 55. Let's check the video. Now here comes the most interesting part. We want our videos to show only first part for 9 seconds and second part for 4 seconds. Right-click on the first part and click on Show Timeline and adjust the time up to 9 seconds. Do it same for second part and adjust it after first part up to 3 seconds. Now drag the second part to overlap with the first part. Hola, we have created our first video. Let's download our video. Here comes the magical trick. We will create these short videos in bulk using Canva bulk option. Our file has been downloaded. Now let's create the videos in bulk. Go to Apps and click on the Bulk Create button. Now click on Enter Data Manually button and click on Clear Data button below. Now go to our facts sheet and copy the header and paste it in the Canva. We are going to create the 30 YouTube Shorts videos in one go. So go to our facts sheets and copy last 30 records and paste it in the Canva and click on Done button below. Now right-click on Girl Facts heading, select Connect Data and click on Theme. Drag the second part down and right-click on underlying first part. Select Connect Data option and click on first part. Similarly, right-click on second part. Select Connect Data option and click on second part. Drag the second part again to overlap with first part. Now play the video to check if it's working fine. Make sure all 3 checkboxes are checked and then click on Continue button. It will fetch the data from our sheet for 30 records. Check the count. and then click on Generate 30 Pages to create 30 videos. A new tab will open and create 30 different YouTube Shorts for you. Now check if these videos created correctly. You can also change the background video of the any videos by selecting the new template from Canva. Hola, we have successfully created 30 YouTube Shorts. To download the videos and click on Share button. Then click on Download button and make sure you check Download Pages as separate files. Lastly, click on Download. After repeating the process, I've downloaded all of the videos. I'm uploading these videos to my other YouTube channel, i.e. Facts Fusion, and I'll be monitoring the growth and results for next 30 days. I've gained around 8K views and 17 subscribers on my shorts in just 3 days. I mean, that's insane. If you like my video, please like the video and subscribe my channel for more updates.